Hey, it's me, Kevin, your favorite director of museum collections. Why don't you come on into my ballroom? I'd like to show you a few things. Hey, welcome to my ballroom. So excited to show you this. This is a full restoration that we're doing to the ballroom, top to bottom. As far as we know, according to our archives, there's never been another full restoration of this. I'm so excited to show you everything. I want you to see it all and experience it all. So let me show you some of the cool things that we're doing. Hey, now we're over here on the east side of the ballroom. The first thing we did was we had the floors refinished back to their smoky oak color. That was really cool. I bet you all saw that. But if you look up above me, you see that spot where the gold is covered up by the green paint, and then you see those two white spots. That's one of the spots where we had the plaster repaired. So the plaster needed to be repaired. There were cracks in it. It was pulling away from the mount. So we hired Micewinkle, a local plaster company, to come in, and they repaired all of the plaster. Hey, here we are. Look at this beautiful, beautiful color. Isn't it great? So, what color do we paint the ballroom? How do we get back to the original color? Well, that was really hard. Let me tell you, we had a great company called ARG, Architectural Resource Group. They came in, they did core samples all over the room and sent us back an analysis of what the original color was. We have a lot of letters between Agnes Bourn and Ernest Peixotto telling us what the room looked like. So we have a really good idea. But as you know, paint fades over the years and gets weird looking, so you don't know exactly what it looked like. So we took those samples, and inside these closets that have never been exposed to the sunlight and didn't get the cigarette smoke on them, we took a sample, we made a comparison, and this is the original color. Benjamin Moore did all of the paint for us. We love them, thank you, Benjamin Moore. And then Rossi Painting here in the Bay Area did this beautiful paint job. But what the heck? They covered up some of the gold. Hey, it's me, I'm down here by the gold. So, as all of you probably remember, the ballroom was all gilded. You can see way up at the, look up at, just look. There, that's it. Look up there, see? See all that gilding up there? That's the original gilding, 24 karat gold, that we preserved. But this is a sample of the new gilt that had to be put on, because some of it was really damaged by hands and chemicals and all kinds of things. But look at how beautiful this is. Look at how shiny it is. Can you imagine what this room is gonna look like when it's all done? And guess who's doing this for us? Preservation Arts out of Oakland. They rock. They are the best conservators ever. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. So, the ballroom had baseboards of faux painted marble. Pretty cool, huh? Then a varnish was put over that darkened over time, and it made them look kind of browny yellow. And I thought, that's weird. Why are they browny yellow? They should match the fireplace. Well, the great team at Preservation Arts removed that varnish, and guess what? Underneath is this beautiful, beautiful faux marble. But look at all the chips and stuff. Well, this section only has had the varnish removed. See this? This is after Preservation Arts has done all the infilling and varnishing, the new varnish on this. Look at how beautiful that is. You can hardly tell that that's not marble. Isn't that gorgeous? Preservation Arts, they're thebomb.com. Kazam, I'm here. Hey, so one of the biggest parts that we're gonna do is restore the beautiful Ernest Peixotto paintings. These paintings, as far as we know, have never had any preservation work done on them. And if you look and see the image of Ernest that he painted of himself in the painting, and just below his left knee, there's a little square of much lighter colored canvas. That's where they cleaned. The canvases are covered in cigarette smoke and fireplace smoke and stuff from our breath and just stuff that's in the air. Imagine what this is going to look like when it's all cleaned. So come September, when you come in here, this ballroom is going to look exactly like how it looked when Agnes Bourn first walked into this ballroom. And I'm so excited to show all of you. I can't wait for you to come down here and see it. And remember that for each ticket that you buy up at the front gate, one little tiny portion of that goes to helping us do this kind of work in here. Really incredible, and I can't thank you enough for everything that everyone does for us. So come down in September, find me, let's talk about the ballroom, let's see it, and let's see it back to its Gilded Age glory. See you later.